I want to make a few seasonal serving boards, maple syrup themed, as I'm Canadian and I'm making them, you guessed it, out of maple. First I need a shape, and I have a bunch of those downloaded from Etsy, so I just throw it at my Engraver software and get it cut onto a 1/4 inch MDF on my BlazeX M3 Pro. Since I'm working with a piece of scrap, I'm making sure the shape fits onto my MDF using the framing option, which makes aligning anything really easy. Making my own templates for the router in minutes is an awesome power to have in the shop and a great reason to buy an engraver. Here's my maple. With the gray figure, it looks awesome in boards like this. I maximize my usage crossing path with the handles, so those two boards take less than a foot of wood from a board that costs about $15 for all of it. On the bandsaw, I get them separated, and as you can see, I can do some really tight curves with this old Delta. I love this thing. See how much wood I got left? Those projects cost nothing. They're great practice in potential marketplace products. On the router table, using a flush trim bit, I get them trimmed to match the template exactly. The sander gets everything nice and smooth. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel reach new people every day. Thanks to all subscribers. For the handle, I didn't want to use the template and simply used the Forstner bit on the drill press. Using a 2x4 under avoids tear out from under the board. I get the top, bottom and edges sanded and it's ready to go back on the laser engraver. Here I am engraving a maple syrup farm background, a popular activity in early spring in Canada, where we go feast on a meal and then eat a ton of maple sugar off snow. Look it up, it's great. To finalize them, I'm using butcher block oil. If someone uses food on them, it will be safe. Thanks to BlazeX for sending this over for my shop. It's been great and fun to use. Check out the description for links to it. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos, and see you next time.